Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Control on thoughts. Our thinker Iqbal said, परवाज है दोनों की उसी एक फिजा में, करगस का जहां और है शाही का जहां और. The vulture and the eagle soar in the same air but in worlds apart. It is your decision that you choose vices or virtues to program your mindset. This statement proves the link between thoughtful intelligence and control on thoughts. Through understanding how context, paradigm, and practices are challenging in this Wi-Fi age, you can learn the ways to defeat the unrighteous thoughts. The question is, from where do the thoughts come? It will help us to determine the factors of thoughts to have control on thoughts. Factor 1. Clear belief in the unseen. For example, you believe that there is a certain power projecting and running the universe. Factor 2. Clear belief in past. For example, you believe that certain human beings were your ancestors, like your father or grandfather, and you like to carry on their values. Factor 3. Clear belief in present. For example, that acquisition and spending of certain resources bring profit to you, and you plan your lifetime to gain maximum material benefit. Factor 4. Clear belief in future. For example, you buy an insurance policy for life and pay certain amount monthly as insurance investment. Factor 5. Clear practice of spirituality. For example, you go to some mosque, church, or temple. These 5 factors determine the context, paradigm, and practices of your thoughts. Now, the question is, how can we actualize control on thoughts? The answer is promotion of thoughtful intelligence that tells how to anchor yourself in certain context, paradigm, and practice. Let's have empirical scenario. When you select rail travel from Rawalpindi to Multan, you have clearly chosen your destination, and on your way you get stopover at Lahore Junction. You may across 2 thoughts during the stopover as per your knowledge or experience. 1. Lahore is a place of Data Ganj Bakhsh, who thought to convert Lahore into a place of care and contentment. 2. Lahore is a place of the decision makers who worked for their personal interests while deciding energy and communication policies in Pakistan without having the thoughts of its sustainability in terms of affordability and environment friendliness is ultimate example of corruption. Now, how much you admire the thought of Data Saab and how much you dislike the other set of decision makers indicates your level of righteousness and the control on thoughts. The more thoughtfully intelligent you are, the more you have control on thoughts, leading to Sirat-e-Mustaqim. In Quran Surah Fatiha, the man asks Allah, the Lord of mercy, the giver of mercy, for guidance towards straight path, the Sirat-e-Mustaqim. Remember, thoughtful intelligence helps knowing factors of thoughts to develop the control on thoughts spread over past, present, and future. Please comment on YouTube channel Thoughtful Intelligence. Allah bless you. Pakistan Zindabad.